Just wanted to do a quick video today to show you how to set up light sets and to have light sets come on and off at different times here on your Glowstone lighting device. Just wanted to show you really quick here my presets. So if you look here on presets here, all I have is an all off. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the 5th page here on the right and set up 2 different light sets. And so in order to do that, what we want to do actually is click the orange plus button. And this is like a great setup to do if you have like a front and back, or if you want to set up, you know, a top or a lower section on the front of your house, or however you want to set it up. It's pretty simple instructions here. And so what we'll want to do is I'm going to create a top and a bottom section here on my home. I just have lights on the front, and so I'll break it up this way for you guys to see. So what we'll do is we'll name this light set, let's do lower section. There we go. And I'm going to set the range here from 0 to 80. So groups of 1 and distance between lights to be 0, and I'm going to click save. Now what it's going to say is like, hey, there's an overlap here. Don't worry about it. I'll show you how to fix this here in a second, but you're just going to click I understand the risk. Then you'll see default there in the lower section. And then what we're going to do is actually delete the default section there, just like that. And we're going to now add the top section. So you're going to click the orange plus button, come here to name the light set, and I'm just going to name this one here top section. Now what I'll do is I'll set the range here from 80 to the rest of the lights, which is 106 total here on my house. So groups of 1 and distance between lights to be 0 as well. So I'll click save. So now you'll see here a lower section and a top section here for my light sets. And so what I'll do just to kind of highlight and demonstrate this quick is if I go to the live page and turn my lights on there, I'm going to come here to light sets, and if it's selected to all and I select a color, you'll see that all my lights will come on. It's kind of hard to tell here during the day, but you'll see all the lights come on there. And if I click here to red, you'll also see the lights change. Now if I come here to lower section and I change the lower section here to be green, you'll see the top section is still red. It might be a little hard to see here in the video, but the lights are red there. Okay, so, and same thing vice versa. If I change the top section, let's say to blue, you'll see the lights change to blue there. Now what we want to do is set this up with presets and then a schedule page. And so what we're going to do is, if I go here to my presets, I currently have all off to be my main kind of preset to schedule my lights off to be all off. Now what I want to do is I want to create a preset for the top and the bottom to turn off at different times if I want them to. So in order to do that, I'm going to click the orange plus button, come here to name the preset. And what I'll do is I'll just name this one to be, let's just do this. Let's do off top section. Then that's pretty clear, makes sense. And I'm going to select my light sets to be the top section. Now what we want to do is we actually want to reduce the brightness, the red, the green, and the blue all the way down to 0. Now this might seem counterintuitive, but you're actually going to have the light sets to be set to on. Okay. Then you will click save. So remember, brightness, red, green, and blue, all set to 0% with the all light sets on. And I will click save. Okay, so you'll see that there. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but for the bottom. So I'll do off, bottom section. I'll make sure I select lower section there. Guess I can change this here to lower section. Okay, same thing. 0, 0, 0. Make sure the light sets are on. Okay, and I will hit save. Excellent. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to have lights be for all of it, so for all the light sets, and then to be able to turn each section off. So what I'll do here is, let's just say I do Christmas, let's say Christmas 1. I want all my light sets to be selected as all. And then I'm going to come down here to, let's do Christmas 1, and I'll do solid pattern try so you guys can see this effectively on the house. Now, one thing you want to make sure is when you are setting this up, just bring this brightness down to like 70% and then bring it back up to 100% there, just to remind the lights that we want them to be on. Okay, so that's an important step, is just touch the brightness, because you may have noticed that they were off even when I was creating the preset. If you touch the brightness, it'll make sure that they come on there, and set it to 100%. Make sure all the light sets are set for on, and you can click save. Okay, so now from here, I will show you this. So if I click all off, all the lights will turn off. If I click Christmas 1, all the lights will come on. Now, what I can do is I can click play on the lower section to be off. And as you can see here in the video, my top section, I know it's probably hard to see, my top section is on, but my lower section is off, which is really nice. So if I click Christmas lights 1 again and click the top section, now just the bottom section is on and the top is off. Okay, so that's a cool way to be able to control both of your light sets. Different sections of your home, whether you got front and back, the front, whatever kind of works for you and whatever your system is there.